If you're an astronomy enthusiast, you've probably heard of SkySafari 8 Pro, but does it really deliver on its promises of a stellar experience? Let's dive into what this app offers and if it's worth your time and money. SkySafari 8 Pro is an astronomy app designed for both casual stargazers and serious astronomers. Right off the bat, you notice the extensive database featuring over 1.5 million stars, planets, and deep sky objects. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the cosmos with just a few taps. You can easily zoom in on celestial bodies and even track the motion of satellites and comets. One standout feature is the built-in telescope control, allowing you to connect and operate compatible telescopes directly through the app. This could be a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their stargazing experience. However, some users have noted that the learning curve can be steep if you're new to astronomy, and it might feel overwhelming at first. While the app is packed with features, there are moments where the information can feel a bit scattered, especially for beginners. Overall, it's a robust tool for those serious about exploring the night sky. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, the extensive database and telescope integration are fantastic for serious users. The visual experience is stunning, and the ability to simulate the night sky from any location is a huge plus. However, there are some significant drawbacks. The app can be pricey, which might deter casual users. Additionally, the interface, while powerful, may overwhelm newcomers. Some users have also reported occasional bugs that can disrupt the experience, which is frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy a clear night sky. Overall, if you're deeply invested in astronomy, this app could be a worthy investment, but if you're just looking to casually explore the stars, you might find it a bit too much. In conclusion, SkySafari 8 Pro is an impressive tool for serious astronomy fans, offering depth and functionality that can elevate your stargazing. However, if you're a beginner or just looking for a casual app, you might want to explore simpler alternatives. For those ready to dive deep, this app is worth considering.